Hey friends, we're going to sing a song about construction workers. Goes like this. See the worker make a plan, map it out as best she can, use a backhoe, dig the dirt, think and work and don't get hurt. When it's cold and when it's hot, construction workers work a lot. Now I'm going to sing a line, and you sing it after me. See the worker make a plan. Your turn. Map it out as best she can. Use a backhoe, dig the dirt. Think and work and don't get hurt. When it's cold and when it's hot, construction workers work a lot. Okay, let's sing it one more time all together. See the worker make a plan, map it out as best she can, use a backhoe and dig the dirt, think and work and don't get hurt. When it's cold and when it's hot, construction workers work a lot. Thanks for singing.